Did you know your field of vision literally shrinks when you get stressed out? This peripheral vision meditation will help you go from a stress state to a rest state, widening the scope of possibilities that you can see available to you at any point in time when you're trying to solve a problem or just come back down to earth. Let's get to it. A peripheral vision meditation helps work with your nervous system's natural states of being to bring your body back down towards a rest state. So when you get stressed out, when your emotions and your nervous system escalate into stress and survival mode, what happens is your vision is designed to shrink, because you need to hyper focus on whatever it is that's causing you stress. Now, in the wild, when you're surviving against some animals, that can be super, super helpful. But when you are in a role or a position of needing to be aware and grounded, present in your body, ready to solve problems from a creative standpoint, you need to have a widened scope of vision. Not only so that you can attend to all the people that are involved in what other problem you're trying to solve, but so that you can see literally a wider range of possibilities available to you as far as how you can respond in that moment to the stressor. I'm going to teach you right now how to do this peripheral vision meditation. Find yourself a comfy seat, sit down where you are, and let's get started. You can use this anywhere throughout your day, and it'll really help bring you back down to center. All right, now that you're seated and you've got yourself set up, I want you to pick a spot on the wall in front of you, as far away as you can get. Though if you're in a cubicle or in a small office space, it's okay to just stare at whatever is directly in front of you, but pick one spot to put your gaze directly onto, and don't move your eyes from that spot for the duration of this meditation. Now, looking at that spot, I want you to pay attention to exactly what you see. What colors, what shapes, what textures, what creations, what do you see directly in front of you from the point where you are looking? Just take a deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth, keeping the eyes on that spot. Now, what do you see about 3 inches to 5 inches away from that spot? What do you see surrounding it? Maybe you see papers or plants, colors or shapes. And just noticing. And continuing to take a deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Extend your vision without moving your eyes, your field of awareness, a foot or 2 out from that spot. What do you notice? What shapes, what shades, what colors, what kind of light or shadows? From where I am sitting, I see people walking down a sidewalk. I see green, I see leaves, I see curtains falling and rippling. What do you see? And moving now 4 to 6 feet out if you're able, or just adjusting if you're looking at something very close, shrinking the dimensions here a little bit. But if you're able to see 6 to 4 feet out from that spot, what do you notice? There's no right answer. Good. That's it. Keep the breathing going. Just getting curious about the surroundings around you. Maybe noticing things you've never noticed before. That's it. And now, almost to the edge of your periphery, without straining your eyes, what do you notice? What's kind of not quite on the edge, but almost right on the edge of your field of vision? I see a chair, a plant, a bicycle. what's going on in your world. Now this might help if you bring your hands up to the side of your periphery so you can see, if you hold your hands forward a little bit, you can see them clearly, and as you move them back towards your head, they're going to start to disappear. So I want you to go all the way to the edge of your peripheral vision, all the way to the edge to where you can't see your hands any longer. And what do you notice here? Taking those breaths. Beautiful. And now just for a moment, go ahead and close your eyes very slowly. And I want you to pay attention to the sounds around you. The subtle sounds, the humming, the buzzes, the fans. The sounds of life, the sounds of nature. Just witnessing the sounds around you and seeing if you can separate them all out into their own individual bursts of sound and vibration. And as you breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth, seeing if you can find a sense of peace with what is. What is in front of you? What is surrounding you? What is supporting you in this moment? Beautiful. And if it fits for you, placing a hand on the heart or a hand on the belly, breathing all the way in, all the way out, and surrendering to the flow of your life while taking action to choose intentional steps, intentional responses to the opportunities that you have to thrive right now, right here. How do you feel? Any better? Any more grounded and present in your body? This might also make present some emotions that you've been holding on to that maybe you weren't aware of. And if you're not in a place where you can process those right now, that's okay. Just allow those emotions to be seen and heard and let them know that you will come back to them when there's a safe space to connect. And I hope that will be later today for you. All right, so much love your way. Thank you for joining me today. Let me know what you think about this meditation in the comments. Like and subscribe for more. These videos come out every Wednesday. My name is Elia Pritchard, and this is the Kaleidoscope channel. See you next time.